Hey everyone, welcome back to another delicious episode here at Forever Acres Kitchen. And today we're making braised short ribs. Oh, I cannot wait for that. Love short ribs. We've got broccolini, got the carrots, the onions. You want to roughly chop those up. The thyme, the rosemary, the shallots. I love shallots. And then, of course, we're going to braise them in this beautiful red wine sauce. I think someone brought this over to the house one night. This is 19 Crimes, Cali Red. It's got this guy on the cover there. I don't know if this guy committed 19 crimes or what the deal is with that, but that's what we're going to use today. All right. Of course, we got beef broth. And originally I was going to put it over creamy polenta. Then I decided maybe some fried polenta cakes. That would be good. But then I had these in the freezer. That's right, these Goya corn sticks. So it's kind of like polenta, right? It's corn. So we're gonna fry these up and we're gonna nestle that under that delicious braised short ribs and all that juice over that. It's gonna be delicious. Let's get started. All right, so you're gonna wanna season, of course, your short ribs. Very simple season. Generous amount of salt, pepper. Of course, you know I love roasted garlic powder. And of course, I gotta put paprika. I know I put paprika on everything. I love paprika. Sorry. So generous amounts of salt. Remember, season from up high, like so. You're gonna want to season all sides. So you want this well seasoned. Plenty of pepper. I love pepper and beef. Plenty of pepper, just like so. Hit it with that garlic powder. Remember, all sides. Oh, I didn't think get this back row. Oh man, that wasn't good. Garlic. And then paprika. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. I'm not putting too much. I just want to add that extra depth of flavor. All right, so there you have it. All seasoned up. Make sure to scrape up everything. Then we're gonna get this into a Dutch oven and we're gonna sear it on all sides. Get it nice and seared up. And then we'll throw that in the oven at 350 degrees, which is already preset. It's already ready to go. And we're gonna have it in there for about 2.5 hours. So for now, let's get these in that Dutch oven. All right, we got it, medium high heat. We're gonna hit it with some avocado oil or any other neutral oil, but I like using avocado oil. I don't know, about 2 tablespoons. All right, now that we've got our temp where we want it, let's go ahead and start searing these boys. Oh, listen. And obviously you want to sear them bone side up. You don't want to overcrowd. So I've got 8 of these, so I'm gonna have to do it in batches. I think I can get 4 in here without overcrowding it. Let me get another equal size one, yeah, just like that. So I'll do them in 2 batches. All right, it has been 2 minutes. So I do 2 minutes per side. And if you see there, look at that. That's 2 minutes. That's perfect. Put it on the side. Time to flip again. These look beautiful. Oh my gosh. Will you look at this? You look at that. I mean, look at that. How beautiful. Oh. All right, now these end sides, I'm only going to leave them in there for about a minute. And of course, I'm not worried about the bone side. So just a minute. Okay, now that we got those beautifully seared, I'm going to go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of butter just for some more deliciousness. All right, now let's get our onions and our carrots. Swirl that all around. Next, let's get our shallots in there. We'll cook this down for about 2 minutes and then we'll add our wine. All right, now for the party. Let's go ahead and add our wine in there. Get all that stuff off the bottom, the fond, as they call it. All right, we're going to let that get to a boil. We're going to cook it down for 2 minutes, and then we'll add the short ribs. All right, let's add our beef broth in there. Oh. It smells delicious. Let's go ahead and season it up with some more salt. And of course, some pepper. Let's get a little bit of a taste. Make sure we don't need to add more seasoning. Needs a little bit more salt. And some more pepper. All right, let's get another taste. Now that's good. All right, now time to add the short ribs to the party. Get those in there. Oh, yeah. Come on, guys, make room for your friend. All right, now that we got them all in there submerged, time to put a lid on it and get them in the oven. All right, so let's get these in the oven. Now, you're gonna wanna put this in the bottom third of your oven. Just like that. See you in 2.5 hours. Oh wait, I forgot the most important part. Well, not the most important part, but a very important part. The herbs. Go ahead and get your thyme, rosemary, and I got 3 garlic cloves in there. So what happens when you rush? Now you're ready. All right, well, we got 2.5 hours to wait. Got to do better by not rushing myself, because then I forget stuff. And then I burn myself, because I'm hurrying. I got to slow it down. I know, I got to slow it down. So I'm going to drink some wine for the next 2.5 hours. So I might need another bottle of this. Okay. Nice and sweet. Mellow. Not bad. Not bad. This guy can make some good wine. Not bad. Snoop Dogg and Dogg. All right. A leader in contemporary pop culture, Snoop embodies the timeless values of the 19 crimes rogues who came before him. To learn more about this and similar stories, please visit us at 19crimes.com. 19 crimes. Not bad, Snoop. Pour some for my homies. Just a little bit because I don't have much. See you in 2.5 hours. All right, so it's got about 15 more minutes. I'm going to go ahead and start pan roasting these broccolinis, which I love. And we'll get these in the fryer. All right, so let's go ahead and get our pan going here. I got it full of vegetable oil, and we're gonna get this to a 350-degree temperature, and then we'll start frying those. And then here, we're just gonna add some of my garlic-infused olive oil. Very simple, olive oil, and throw some garlic cloves in there. You got yourself some garlic-infused olive oil. Get that heating up a little bit, and we'll go ahead and pan roast the broccolinis in that. I'm also going to go ahead and put some olive oil over the broccolinis and salt and pepper. All right, working in batches. Let's go ahead and get our sorullitos in there. You're going to want to fry these up for about 6 minutes. If you take your thermometer pick, you can, there you go. You can separate those ones that got kind of stuck together. All right, there you go. It's kind of what color you want. Just a nice light golden brown color. You don't want them ultra crispy. All right, so there you have it. Nice, lightly golden. Absolutely delicious, though. Yeah, let's get a bite. Hear that? You get that crunchy exterior, but that nice, soft interior. That's what you want. All right, let's get our broccolini in. Oh, yeah. I remember I seasoned it with salt and pepper and some of that garlic infused olive oil. Same thing that's in the pan. And you just want to get these nice and charred. At least that's how I like them. Oh man, look at these. Oh, will you just look at that? These are going to be unbelievable. Look at that. I'm beside myself right now. These look fantastic. Come on. So now we're going to pour and stir. Stir that in slowly. And this is 1-to-1. So this is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. There we go. And of course, we want to take one good last taste because I'm sure we'll probably have to add a little bit of more seasonings. Oh yeah. Let's get a little bit more salt and pepper in there. All right. We'll let that sit and let it get nice and thick, and then we'll be ready to plate it up. All right, and that is what you're looking for right there. So those are ready to go. All right, time to get this on a plate. First, let's start with our sorullitos, our corn sticks. Now let's lay it like that. Maybe one like that, one like that. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Let me see. Oh, this one looks good. Oh, look at that. Of course, you know you got to get that broccolini in there. We'll get that like so. Now you can eat this broccolini just like as is, but you know we got to jazz it up some. Let's get some fresh Parmesan going on there. Oh, look at that. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Huh? Ah, I didn't forget. Gotta get that gravy. Those carrots in there. Let's clean this up over here. Gotta make it pretty. Look at that. Oh, all right, let's get a taste. Look at that. Oh, look at that fork tender. Look at that. Oh man, let's get some of that meat. I want some of that carrot. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Makes me almost want to quick walk. That's so good. Oh, make that. Oh my God, let me get into this broccolini. That's so good. Perfectly charred. That's what I like. Let's get into that. Oops, sorry. Dip that in that sauce like that. Again, that crispy exterior, tender interior, sweetness from the corn, with this savory, delicious sauce and the meat. Oh, it's fantastic. I mean, it's just melts in your mouth. Make that. Not bad. Snoop Dogg, not bad. There you have it, folks. Braised short ribs over corn sticks, broccolini with Parmesan Reggiano cheese. You got carrots. I mean, what more can you ask for? Except for more wine. Thank you for watching. Eat well, my friends. And to all my followers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really, really do appreciate it. I know it takes, something for you to hit that subscribe button. So I really, really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy these videos. Let me know what you'd like for me to make next. All right? Eat well, my friends. Eat well.